Welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today's going to be a pretty interesting video. Just a quick one. I'm just going to show you, this is my wallet. And I've replaced my wallet with something else. And this is it right here. I'm going to show you inside. And this was a terrific gift given to me by my son-in-law, Dennis. And I'm going to show you this. I never knew this even existed. It is just awesome. Let's go over here. Let's take a look right now.
Well, first of all, most of you have a wallet like this. You know, where you can put all your different stuff in. You can put your money in. It's got all your different slots for credit cards and all that kind of stuff, right? Well, I've had this particular style of wallet for probably over 50 years. Okay, so here it is right here, Card Shield. I never knew this product existed. I've been using this for a long time. I just saved the box there. And this is it right here. And you know, this is so unique. I find it just incredible how unique it is. And for all of you that have credit cards, you've seen on TV shows and in the news on how people can actually scan your cards when you're walking around and, you know, steal your data and all this kind of stuff. Well, this is the unit right here. And of course he got it engraved for me. And you know, you can put your money in here like this, and it's got a slots here. You can put stuff in here, you know, like for other credit cards as well. And I think it's just, you know, terrific. And if you take a look down the bottom here, there's a little lever, and all you do is you just, that's it. And you can just put these cards in, and I've got probably, well, I think I got about 7 cards there. And you just push them in and they stay in there. They don't fall out or anything. I mean, I think this is just an awesome kind of you know, replacement for a wallet. And you take a look at the size. I mean, I just put this in my front pocket now, and I can just put it anywhere. I mean, it's not big and bulky. You're not sitting on it and that kind of stuff. So I just thought I'd show this today. What do you think about these? Have you ever seen one of these? I think, tell you the truth, that is awesome, or what?
Now, is that not awesome, or what? And you know what? If you want, I don't sell anything on my channel. If you want, you can just Google, you know, the name. And, you know, it's, I think this is just terrific. I mean, there it is right there. You can just Google the name. They have all kinds of different variants on different styles. You know, some that you can't put money in. You can just put your cards. And most of the time, today, I'm not using very much cash in the first place. I use everything on debit or charge. So, you know, this is just ideal for me. And, you know, when you take a good look at them, wow, there's a huge difference, you know. And it's not so bulky. Like I say, I just put it in my pocket and away I go. So thanks for joining me here today. If you haven't seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe and watch more reviews in the future. Some quirky things and some terrific gifts that I get from friends and relatives. Thank you very much for joining me here today. You have a great day. Cheers.